Alright guys, we're starting a new little series here. I'm going to have this in a separate playlist. These are going to be short, or as short as possible, and I'm just going to have it be like kind of a video log diary on kind of, my journey now starting to learn options. So I kind of know, I know a lot about the fundamentals of options, and I just want to see how it is to trade. So I'm going to use the description of each of these videos in the playlist as like kind of a description of like what I learned or just key points and what I go over. So the options trade that I'm trying out today, I had a max of just 2 contracts. We're not talking about like any money at all here. And it was on the SPY. So I've seen the SPY, the overall market has been trending up, and then we had this dip, and recently we've been trending up again. So if you zoom into the macro level, or the micro level, sorry, we've had this recent push up towards these highs. So we're getting pretty close to these highs up here at 287. And, we've had this push, a pullback, a push, and then this pullback right here. So I was looking for an entry again, and I saw that I really like this level here. The top of these candles are at the same thing. You can see down in this area, if you just watch as I mouse over these 2 candles and go back and forth, it's 284.16 and 284.10. So I marked that right here as 284.14. It's just kind of the general level right there, the average between the two. And we started the day off with a high of 283.70. So I was watching what happened today. We've kind of shot up into this channel, and then as we've gotten into this channel, we've just been trending higher. So, we went below the channel, got bought up, went below the channel, got bought up, went below the channel, got bought up, and then had this huge run up to the top of the channel, which is that line that I marked in the daily. And then we were downtrending, and then, we came to the bottom of the channel, is bought right back up. And now it looks to me as if we are in this top half of the channel as we keep touching this and kind of coming back and consolidating and going under and over. Now it seems to me, along with this moving average, that we're over this and we're actually about to shoot through this critical level. I could be wrong, but that's why I bought in. I actually was buying over in this area. I think I bought like right in here and right in here. I ruined my average because my first contract was at 103. I think we can see where I bought if I turn it on here. Chart parameters, show my trades as triangles. Right, so I bought in here to start at 103, yeah, exactly. And then I bought in again at 109. So my first 103 buy was at 1 o'clock. Right as it was down here. So I was actually buying, where is it? 1 o'clock, right here on support. Because I saw that we were pushing up. With options, I feel like you have to buy on support, and you have to be way more selective of your entries, because if you're wrong and you try and chase this, like right here, like I think the options price at that point was like 115 or something, and then it dipped all the way back down to $1. So you can't chase, otherwise your drawdown is going to be huge, even though it's just going back to support, and it could start to make its way back up again. So you have to be way more selective. I've already noticed that I kind of ruined my average up to 107, and then I sold out that contract for a little bit of a loss. But I'm going to hold on to this one. These are the 3-day, if I just bring it up here, options. Oh, it's okay. So I'm looking for the 3-day, so the August 17th, so the Friday calls with a 284 strike price. So I bought them out of the money because 284 is right here on this line, and I was buying them down here. And then as they come into the money, so above 284 if you're buying calls, then they will become more and more valuable. So that's my plan. I'm not really sure what my risk to reward ratio is. I'm looking for a retest of these highs by Friday. So I told myself around the 285.50 area, that's where I would see how it reacts and take my profit. I don't know what the contract price is going to be then. And of course, if this channel fails, I don't know. I might sell out of this contract. I might have a stop of like $1. Again, I'm not really sure what I'm doing quite yet, but that's the point of the series. We're gonna watch me be an options millionaire now, and I'm just starting out small, right? And I wanna be able to do things like trade Tesla when I see shorts like this. I saw this today. I saw this short kind of setting itself up right here for a breakdown under these lows right here. Breakdown, breakdown, breakdown. Right there as the volume was picking up, that looked beautiful. So the 355, you would buy puts on Tesla. So Tesla, what did I say? 355 puts. So at the beginning of the day, right around when I was talking about them, they went from about, oh no, it was right here. They went from around $7 to like $8.50. Oh no, sorry. I would be buying the daily puts, not the ones for Friday. Oh, okay. This is the shortest. This is the shortest for them, so I would be buying these ones. So again, they went from $6.50 or $7 all the way up to $8.50 to $9, which is a 20 to 30% gain. So you can capitalize on these stocks that don't move that much, but their options do move a lot. Whatever, that's not working for me, so that's fine. And I think the SPY is dropping right now. I can see it. So I'm going to hold on to this, and I will update you guys with any more options trades, or if I close this out and I take the loss, or depending on how it reacts around this area here. So stay tuned for that. I don't know when that's going to be, but we'll see what happens. So thanks for watching.